Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy Sui coins on your Bybit account. How to fund your Sui wallet with Sui coin after purchasing USDT on your Bybit. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can do this using Bybit and fund your Sui coin to get your percentage interest every single day. So let's get started in the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to, like log in into your Bybit account. Now, if you don't have a Bybit account, you can go on Play Store and then you just like install a Bybit account for yourself, and then you sign up. So you can install a Bybit account. This is the app that you're looking for. So once you click on this, you'll see a big button that says install, just like the one at the top. You'll be able to install it, and once you install it you can sign up and then verify your account, like your information, and then you'll be able to buy coin within like few hours or less than 1 hour. You'll be able to sign up and start buying coins. So I'm going to click on the open button over here. Now I'll be taken to my Bybit dashboard. So as you can see, I have 41 USDT on my account. I have 41 USDT on my wallet. So I'd like to buy 100 USDT worth of Sui coin for Sui Bison, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on this deposit button over here, and then I'm going to go to peer-to-peer trading over here. So once my page load, this is the buy peer-to-peer trading. So I would like to buy 64 USDT and add to the 41 I already have. So it will accumulate to 105 in case of the service charge and the bus fee that I'm going to have to pay in order to send this coin to my Sui Bison, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for 100,000 over here, because I believe 64 USDT will be around 100,000 and above. So now I'm going to look for a good counterparts to trade with. So I'm looking for someone with 100 or 99 completion rate and is currently online and has Pampy. You get, so let me filter with Pampy payment method. Okay, I'm going to go with this guy. Now I'm going to insert the amount of crypto that I want to buy, which is 64 USDT, and the 101,000. You see, then okay. Okay, basically this is the rules over here. So you can just read this before you can know, before you transact to this person, because most traders, they have their rules and they have certain things that they want you to do before you can make payment. So you can just read and then you chat them and ask them if they're active, or you can just make payment directly if you understand what they are like saying. So once I'm done messaging the trader and I've asked my questions, I will just go straight to making payment. Now you can see I went back. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this pay now button over here, and then I'm going to make payment to this information that is provided for me over here. You get, with sum of 101,182 naira. So I'm going to pay this on my PalmPay account. I'm going to send it straight, and then I'm going to come back over here. So as you can see, I've made payment and I clicked on the complete order. So it means that I've completed the payment before I continued. So once you make payment, make sure you click on the completed payment button you get, to prove that you have paid the money completely. So once I'm done with that, the seller actually told me to drop my receipt. So I'm just going to send receipt to him over here that I've made payment to him, to his bank, right? So here's the proof. I've sent him his money. So now all I'm just waiting for is for him to release my coin. So he has like 8 minutes to release my coin, and he can always go to his bank to check if I have send the money successfully. So I have made the payment, so he doesn't have any excuse since it's online. So let's just wait. Okay, as you can see, it was instant. He has released the coin successfully. So now I have over 100 USDT to purchase you coin for my Sui Bison. So I'm going to go back to my wallet and I'm going to refresh. So you can see it's over here, $105, right? So let's go to assets. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on this wallet over here that says assets. Then now I'm going to click on convert over here, and then I'm going to swap this from, I'm going to change this. Then I'm going to select Sui from the Bitcoin side where I'm seeing Bitcoin. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to select Sui. So as you can see, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to insert the amount of Sui I want to buy, so which is 105.25, or let's say 105. Okay, so I'm going to get 29.76 Sui for 105 USDT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the one click buy. I'm going to click on this. So I'm going to click on the quote over here, and then they're going to show me the boss fee and everything. So it's 0 Sui, right? And then I'm going to confirm. So right now I've already purchased 29.69 Sui on Bybit. So I'm going to go back. And you can see my money just reduced in dollars. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to withdraw these funds directly to my Sui Bison account. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my address for my Sui Bison. So once you click on once you locate your Telegram app, you just locate Sui Bison app over here, and then you click on launch. Okay, so you just need to launch your application. So once it is launched successfully, you'll be able to see your funds on your wallet. So right now I'm at 2% on my Sui Bison wallet, and I've generated over $1 over here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go to where they say deposit over here, this deposit button, and then I'm gonna click on it, and then I'm going to copy this address, right? This is my Sui Bison address. And once I do that, I'm going to go back to Bybit and I'm going to withdraw. So I have Sui Worth 29, and I'm going to input the address to the Sui Bison over here. And then I'm going to select the network, which is Sui network anyway. So I'm going to put the amount, which is 29 as a mask. You just select max. They will insert all your Sui there. Then what you are going to do now is that you are going to click on the withdraw over here, and then the charges is 0.02 Sui. Remember that. Then what you're going to do is you just click on the the confirm button over here, and then you have to input your funding password and your Google Authenticator password. So as you can see, I've inserted my necessary password. I'm going to click on confirm. So you can see the withdrawal was successfully submitted to Sui Bison. What I'm going to do, I'm going to wait 1 minute. After that, I'm going to click on the OK button over here, and note that I do not have any money on my wallet anymore. It has been sent to the Sui Bison wallet. So now I'm going to go back to Sui Bison over here since I've made the withdrawal successfully. Then I'm going to click on this initiate stake, right? I'm going to click on the initiate stake, and then I'm going to wait for them to detect the money I just sent. See, operation time down, the transaction is still being processed. I'm gonna wait for small time, right? So you're gonna wait for some minutes, and then you do it again. So when they say successful something, like you have to say something like you have successfully received coin. Your staking balance will be updated shortly, so you can see that it has detected the funds that I just sent. So I'm gonna go back. Okay, sorry, let me launch it again. So I just went back to the dashboard of the Sui Bison app, and now, so as you can see, I have $99 right here on my wallet. And as you can see, I lost around $7 before it landed. So that $7 will be used to purchase Sui token. So you can see that my Bison token has increased over here. I will have shown you before I bought the money, like before I deposited, I would have shown you. So you have uh Bison token once you deposit. Now don't forget to sign up. If you're not part of Sui Bison, make sure that you click on the link below in order to register for Sui Bison. That way you get 500% within 140 days on the Sui Bison wallet. So you can also accumulate Sui token, which you can sell when it has been evaluated on the exchange market. So if you got value from this video, don't forget to drop a like and comment on the comment section if you have any issues. And do well to subscribe so you get notified anytime we drop a valuable video just like this. And I hope to see you on my next video. Peace.